It's been a while since I did a review. Now, I got a Wild River CLC tackle bag. Yeah, it's the one with the light. Has 3 different settings. It has low beam, high beam, and green light. Okay. It's called a Nomad. And it comes with 4 3700. I mean, not 3600. 4 3600 boxes that you can fit in here. Okay. Just get it out a little tight fit. And here I have my, soft plastic stuff in here. My top water and my crankbaits in here. My creature baits, my river bugs, crawfish, and I have my Senkos, my stick baits, finesse worms, and flick and shimmy worms right here. Okay, now as you can see, it's nice and bright in there. Okay, all right. The thing I like about this is that it has another pocket up here, and I have another 3600 series box right here with spinner baits and chatterbaits and jigs in here. And I have a miscellaneous bag full of gulp stuff, and I have two 3500 series boxes right here in this little box right here. Now, this is the thing I like about it. You just push this down and it folds down, and then now it becomes one section now. Okay, and it's Velcro. It's pretty strong, pretty sturdy. So if you're out night fishing and you can have this light moves, all this stuff like that. Okay. Now also, when you leave the light on and you need to see something inside your bag, it actually lights the inside of your bag up. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Also, if this is right here, this little pocket right here, I have my drop shot rigs that I made up. It has like a little working tray right here, and if you want to work on something at nighttime, there you go. You can put stuff right there. Okay. Okay. And the it has normal side pockets. Well, they're kind of big. I mean, you can fit I think you can fit a 3500 series in that pocket right here. Side pockets on here. And you got some stuff in here. Little pockets right here. I got my little headlamp in here. So I can fit. You could just put anything in there. Get a little mesh thing right here. You can put something on there. Same thing right here. It's on the other side. Not sure what I have in here. Oh yeah, inline spinners. And a spoon in there. Comes with this thing right here. Like the lanyard thing, whatever. You can put keys on here, whatever. Or a boomerang. It's a line cutter. Okay. Same thing right here. Another big pocket. The little kits in here. Okay. It has like a little see-through plastic thing right here. Okay, You have a molded sunglass case. Put your sunglasses in there. It's molded, so protect your sunglasses, polarized sunglasses. And last but not least, in the back right here, it has a rain fly. So if it starts raining and you don't want to get your bag wet, it's actually attached to the bag. So you can just put this over your bag. You know, just so you get the idea. You know, it's like a raincoat for the bag. And if you put that on there, you can still carry it. It has good straps on it. There's a stern strap right here. And this is adjustable. You can push this up and down. As long as the other ones too. Just try to make sure even or your bag will be top-sided. Has lumbar support right here. Padded. Okay. And that's my review. Oh yeah, hold on. Also, this bag stands up because it has feet on the bottom of it. You know, to keep it out, keep the bag from getting wet, and little cleats to keep it dry, and it helps it stand up too. And they are like hard plastic. I know they're about I'm gonna say about 1/2 inch of rise on them. Okay, and that's about it for that bag. This is called the Wild River Nomad tackle bag. All right, thank you very much. Hey people, it's been a while since I did a review. Now I got a Wild River CLC tackle bag. Yeah, it's the one with the light. Has 3 different settings. It has low beam, high beam, and green light. Okay. Called a Nomad. And it comes with 4 3700